Hey, I'm Pat Moore. I've been an instructor at Marc Adams for several years, and behind me here is one of the projects that the students worked on. It was a 5-day workshop. This was a stereotomy workshop where we learned how to construct a awning. And in this awning, the design is of a large cone that has been sectioned flat. And so in the workshop, we solved and figured out how do we lay out for this curve, for these pieces here called hips. And we then figured out and solved how to lay out for these little rafters, for the knee braces here, these curved braces, and even inside underneath these curved pieces here called struts. Everything was done by hand tools, saws, chisels, rasps, basic stuff like that. The project was broken down into components, so there was 5 students in this course. Each student got one component, and then together as a group, we put everything together. So that's a little bit about this course. If you're interested in learning more about woodworking and other very fascinating courses, check out the links below.